So you're making changes to your post and blogs or customizing your site. And when you hit update, the changes do not show up in the front end, making you want to pull your hair, right? Don't worry, I fixed it using these 5 tricks. The first fix is to install a free plugin to clear the site cache. So look for W3 total cache. Here it is. Let's install and activate this. You can click empty all caches here to see if it works. You can use this option to clear all the cached PHP code from your site. If your homepage has elements or personalized content like products, recommendations, or featured content, you can choose to prevent the use of cache files here as precaution. This way, your users get the updated version from the servers. For this, I'll go to page cache and enable the don't cache front page option and hit save. Before I move on to the next step, this is not an ad. Since you work with websites, I have something cool to share in 5 seconds. I built a free speed plugin called Airlift, where you can paste your URL and get a 90+ speed score. Just go to airlift.net and give it a try. Another easy fix is to clear the cache from your hosting dashboard. My site is hosted by Bluehost, so I'll show you that. However, the steps for other hosts are similar, so you can just follow along. On the Bluehost dashboard, I'll go to My Sites, Manage Sites, go to the Performance tab and scroll down here. In this section, I'll clear the cache for a specific URL, or I can clear the cache for the entire site. For now, I'll choose Clear All the Website Cache. In this pop-up, I'll select Clear Everything. Now that we cleared the server cache, it's time to clear a browser cache too. Press Ctrl+F5 or Ctrl+Shift+R for Windows. If you are using Mac, press Command R or Command Shift R. This action is known as hard reload, which forces the browser to retrieve the updated version of your site. If this doesn't work, you can open the developer tools. Press Ctrl+Shift+I or F12 on Windows, and if you're using Mac, press Option+Command+I. Just go to the refresh button and click on it. Click empty cache and hard reload here. You can also go to the network tab and check the disable cache option. Even if your site works well, your content changes may not be visible to everyone. So clearing the cache from the CDN is crucial to inform the server to replace the old cached files with the new ones. The steps may vary depending on the CDN you're using, so refer to this documentation and your problems will be fixed. Sometimes changes can be visible from your end. However, some admin permissions might block others from accessing it. For instance, I can't see the blog I created recently on the blog page. So I'll go to the blog post and click quick edit. Make sure the private option here is unchecked and hit update. Now, on the WordPress dashboard, go to users. As you can see, this user has a subscriber role. If I access his account, the post won't be visible. To ensure this doesn't happen, I'll click edit under this role, change the role from subscriber to admin and hit update. From the user's account, I'll hit refresh and it should solve your problem. Comment below if you have any doubts and I'll help you out. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really gonna thank me for this. So click here and I'll see you there.